Welcome to our lesson on significant figures. In science and math, not all digits in a number are created equal. Today, we're going to learn which digits actually count when using a measurement. These important digits are called significant figures. Let's get started. Let's start with the easy rule. Any digit from 1 to 9 is always significant. Looking at our main example, we see the digits 5, 8, and 3 pointed out as non-zero digits and significant. For another example, in the number 3450, the digits 3, 4, and 5 are all significant. That's 3 digits that give us useful information. Now let's talk about leading zeros. These are the zeros that come before the first non-zero digit. They are not significant. They're just placeholders. The main example highlights all the zeros before the 5, which would not be considered significant. For example, in 0.076, the zeros in front of the 7 don't count. This number has only 2 significant figures, the 7 and the 6. Next up, trailing zeros in whole numbers. If a number has zeros at the end, but there's no decimal point, those zeros are not significant. Our main example has been altered to a whole number, making the trailing zero not significant and just a placeholder. For another example, in the number 253,400, the zeros at the end don't count. That means this number will have 4 significant figures from the non-zero digits. Now here's where things change. Trailing zeros in decimal numbers are significant. That's because they tell us about the precision of a measurement. Our main example is back to a decimal value. So, a zero trailing the decimal point or trailing non-zero digits will be significant. Looking at another number 12.500, all 5 digits are significant, including those zeros after the 5. Last rule, zeros between non-zero digits are always significant. We call these sandwiched zeros. Our main example has a 0 in between the 5 and the 8. This will make that 0 significant in the number by adding precision and not just being a placeholder. Take the number 305, the 0 is between the 3 and the 5, so it counts. That gives us 3 significant figures in total. We have now looked at the rules for determining whether digits count as significant, and these significant digits will play a role in our rounding of future calculations. If we examine our original example, we can determine its total number of significant digits. Take a moment to find the total. Pause the video if you need to. Hopefully, you figured 5 total significant figures: the 3 non-zero digits, the sandwiched zero, and the trailing zero of the decimal number. This lesson has come to an end. You have boosted your skills in identifying which digits are important in measured values. Thank you for this time and take care.